Alright guys, got it all cleaned up, just painted, new mounts on, hardware's cleaned up the speedo cable, parking brake cable, so we're gonna put it all back in and get back on the brakes, I guess. Alright guys, over here. Oh,
It's you got the horsing valve mounted up. I'm getting the fittings together.
I do like that setup though.
Yeah, it's really good.
I do. You.
Easy like Sunday morning.
What about Sunday morning?
It's easy.
That's what they say.
It's supposed to be easy, but it's not. Life isn't easy anymore.
Can we go back when we were like 18?
I'm really
21? No, I don't want to go back that far. 25. Things were still easy.
They were fun.
Yep. We can drink. Our insurance rates went down if you were good boys.
We weren't.
No, not even close. But
Tighten up the plugs here on the master. And then the adapters on that side. And they all have crush washers. And of course they shorted us a crush washer, which is fine because we have a ton of crush washers
because we need them.
because we crazy. I did start the bolts in our lid though because we fancy.
Sometimes.
Play with our little fittings here.
See which one goes away.
Well, I know which one goes to what.
Hey, which one goes away?
And that's pretty obvious.
I don't know. Saw this, they can't get it on.
They're not easy to do when you're not looking right at it either. But you do have to leave everything a little loose. But essentially that's gonna be it. Because obviously that's not it. So it's gonna be this guy in there. Yeah. Do a little wiggle, yeah.
Well, that's why it's not tight yet.
Yeah.
Everything's for mock-up right
we
now.
get to fit the bracket, Bernsey.
What?
This goes on the outside of the master.
Huh?
That's why I'm off here. Bracket, you got it on the wrong side.
Do you mean I need a portioning valve on the other side?
Yeah, portioning valve bracket goes on this side.
Huh?
Yeah. This.
Okay, you're pointing at the portioning valve, dude.
Yeah.
Look where I'm standing. Look where I'm standing. Look where you're standing.
I can't see.
Exactly.
Probably.
So you're saying the bracket doesn't go first, the master cylinder, then the bracket.
Correct.
Okay. See, then how hard was that?
Well,
It's a good thing we're both just dyslexic.
not dyslexic. You just don't listen.
Tell us in the comments if you understood what he was talking about.
I don't speak nothing.
See? Anyways, I do it wrong, so I have to make him do it twice.
Okay.
I mean, you even watched me do it.
I was actually working on fitting, so I wasn't watching you do it.
He watched me do it. He ain't saying anything.
No, I actually didn't. I was actually working on the fittings.
No, he didn't.
Yes, I was.
Because I was standing right there.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
Mom, Nick's arguing with me.
I already can see what your mom would say right now. Good.
Probably.
You done yet?
No.
You done yet? You done yet? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there's Scotty.
Tell nobody, Jesus.
Put it in the hole. There you go. Now you're cooking with drain out.
Literally watched me put it together wrong and
Yeah.
decided to try to crack me on video.
I actually didn't.
Did you hit him with a hammer?
Not yet.
I actually didn't watch you because
MC Hammer?
I was trying to it. Are you touching?
My ass is not as big as yours.
Mine's juicy though.
Yeah, because you just lay there and sweat. Yeah. I'm so glad I'm recording all this.
On that note, I'm gonna go get me something to drink.
What's his name?
Vodka?
Billy.
No, tequila, hot sauce, and coconut water.
Oh! Scotty's bartending.
Hey.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it.
Uh-oh. I blame Scott.
Thank you, Darren. All right. What did we get this time?
Are you done yet?
Probably crush washers.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
More of them?
Yeah. Getting there. What's up, Muskrat? How's things on the outside?
Good, just taking a break a minute. I gotta do another video again in a second.
Nice. I'm just being cautious.
Are those the carburetors on the Corvair? Are they have to be in the exact same spot going back on again?
Yeah, that's why I took it off the way I did.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Because I got two of the lines freed up.
I like
You'd
that.
actually separate the carbs off the line.
Well, that's good.
So flip that one line. Before you tighten that bolt, I'll stop the video there.
Yeah.
That way they get an idea.
Yeah, you get the gist of it. I'll go right there. Let me put this in, and then we'll do them right. I have a fucking way I'm doing it, but...
Anyways, guys, boss is lost. What's
Later.
up, guys? All right, got everything in, all mocked up. What do you think? Maybe tomorrow, Bobby?
What?
We'll get the rest of the lines mocked up. Okay. Sounds good. Then tomorrow it is. Hey, look at that. Cross member all clean. Good to go. Get in there, guys. Later.